This is the new iPad Pro 13-inch M5 iPad Pro, 256 GB, and it's 13-inch M5. It is Wi-Fi only. Now you get 12 GB of RAM for the base model. I'm actually really excited to smell it. Oh, smells like new technology. That's the model number here, MDYJ4TY/A, iPad Pro 13-inch, Wi-Fi 256, space black. This is the actual model number, A3360. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, and the second one. And now the iPad comes out. Okay, so we have the iPad, this nice pull tab, and just comes out. And it's wrapped in paper. This is the camera and the LiDAR sensor. Let's see what's included. So, other than the iPad itself, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, 1.2 meters USB-C to USB-C, and then you get some paperwork, leaflets, iPad, welcome to iPad, about Pencil Pro. I have it here. I will make a separate video with the Pencil Pro. I think this is the same in multiple languages. I don't think there are any stickers. There is the energy label, energy class G, the frequency, and between 15 and 60 watts USB power delivery. So now it's time to get the iPad out of here. It's so light. Now you have this writing here, Apple Incorporated, and the address, but it's not etched on the actual iPad. It's only on the paper. Okay. Wow, so big. Okay, this is the iPad out from the box. There is this contact, this smart connector here for the Magic Keyboard, but I don't have the Magic Keyboard. This is nice Apple logo feeling. And then you get the cameras. This is the one camera, and then the LiDAR sensor, a flash, and I don't know what's this one. Maybe a microphone also, and then maybe some other kind of sensor. On the front of the iPad Pro, you get the Face ID and the camera and different sensors, light sensors. You have the power button here on the side, the speaker, and then another speaker, and on the bottom here, nothing. And there you have another speaker or microphone grill, the USB-C power connector and data connector, another speaker grill or microphone grill. I think here this is probably a microphone right there. And this is the magnetic base where the pencil, the Apple Pencil Pro will go. Then you have the volume up and volume down. To turn on the iPad, press the power button, long press, and then you get the Apple logo. And it should ask you to set it up, especially this is new from the shop. iPad Pro M5 13-inch. I'll do a step-by-step video to show you how to set it up and how to make it ready to use. This is what you get in the iPad. You only get the charging cable, you don't get the charger at all. I hope this helps you get an idea of what's inside the box. Thanks for watching.